Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. 1 to 30 elements. We know Euler diagram. That is Euler diagram. The order of the electronic configuration of atomic orbitals. First to 1s less than 2s less than 2p less than 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 3d, so on. We know the maximum number of electrons present in s orbital is 2. S orbital is 2. The maximum number of electrons present in s orbital 2. The maximum number of electrons present in p orbital 6. The maximum number of electrons present in d orbital 10. Okay. Now we write the electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. 1 to 30 elements. First element is hydrogen. Hydrogen symbol H1. First orbital 1s. So 1s. Hydrogen, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Atomic number means total number of protons or total number of electrons present in atom. It is called atomic number. So hydrogen contains 1 electron. This 1 electron enter into s orbital. First one is here. One is first stationary state. S is a substationary state. 1s1. Helium He. Atomic number 2. Atomic number 2. Helium contain 2 electrons. First least energy orbital 1s. Maximum number of electrons present in s orbital 2. Helium contain 2 electrons. So electronic configuration of helium is 1s2. Electronic configuration of helium is 1s2. Third element lithium. Atomic number 3. It contains 3 electrons. Starting orbital is 1s. Least energy orbital 1s. It contains 2 electrons. The maximum electrons present in s orbital 2. 1s2. So 3 minus 2 1. That 1 electron enter into second orbital 2s. 1s2 2s1. Okay. Fourth element is beryllium. Atomic number of beryllium is 4. It contains 4 electrons. So starting orbital is 1s2. The remaining 2 electrons enter into second orbital 2s. 1s2 2s2. Because the maximum electrons present in s orbital is 2. Fifth element boron. Atomic number of boron is 5. 1s2 starting orbital 2s2. So 1s 2s orbital is filled with 2 electrons, and last fifth electron enter into next orbital 2p1. The maximum electrons present in p orbital is 6. So here 2p1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So boron atomic number 5. It contains 5 electrons. The 5 electrons are distributed in 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Carbon atomic number 6. It contains 6 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2 plus 2, 4. Remaining 2 electrons. 2p2. Nitrogen atomic number 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Here order 1s, 2s, 2. The maximum electrons present in s orbital 2 electrons. P orbital 6 electrons. Oxygen, 8th element oxygen. Atomic number 8. It contains 8 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Because p orbital maximum electrons of p orbital 6. 2p4, 8. Fluorine, atomic number 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So atomic number of fluorine is 9. It contains 9 electrons. These 9 electrons distribute into 1s, 2s, 2p orbitals. 2p, 5. Neon. Atomic number of neon is 10. Atomic number of neon 10. It contains 10 electrons. These 10 electrons. First orbital 1s2. 1s2 completed. 2s2 completed. Next 2p6. The maximum electrons present in p orbital is 6 electrons. So electronic configuration of Bn is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next sodium. Atomic number of sodium is 11. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 electrons. Yeah, 1 electron is remaining. This 1 electron enter into next orbital 3s1. Magnesium atomic number 12. It contains 12 electrons. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Okay. Next aluminium Al atomic number of aluminum is 13. It contains 13 electrons. These 13 electrons enter into first orbital, least energy orbital 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. The maximum electrons present in any s orbital 1s, 2s, 3s or 4s. 2 electrons. 3s2. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. One electron is remaining. Unkoka electron undi. That electron enter into 3p orbital. 3p1. Silicon. Atomic number of silicon 14. It contains 14 electrons. This electronic configuration of silicon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Phosphorus P. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. It contains 15 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Okay. Phosphorus. Sulfur. S is the symbol of sulfur. Sulfur. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Okay. Chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay. Argon. Ar. Atomic number of argon is 18. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This 3p6 is completed. Maximum electrons present in p orbital 6. S orbital. Any s orbital 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. Any s orbital contain just only 2 electrons. Any p orbital contain 6 electrons. Any d orbital contain 10 electrons. F orbital contain 14 electrons. Argon. Potassium. Symbol of potassium K, because Latin name of potassium is kalium. So symbol of potassium is K. Atomic number of potassium is 19. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Here 3p6 over. Next electron. Next atomic orbital 4s1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. 19. Calcium. Symbol of calcium Ca. Atomic number of calcium is 20. It contains 20 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 electrons. 2p6. Next 3s2. Okay. Next 3p6. 3p6, 18 electrons here. Up to here 18 electrons is 18 electrons are over. Next of the atomic orbital 4s2, 20 electrons, 4s2. So this is the 1 to electronic configuration of 1 to 20 elements. 1 to 20 elements. Okay, students. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Note these 1 to 30, 1 to 10 elements. 1 to 10 elements. 1 to 30 elements. 20 to 21st to 30 elements. Electronic configuration of 21st to 30 elements. Calcium, scandium. Scandium atomic number 21. Scandium atomic number 20. It contains 21 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1, 4s2, 3d1, 1 plus 3d1, 1 plus 2, 3, 9, 11, 17, 19, 21. Scandium, titanium, 22. Atomic number of titanium 22. It contains 22 electrons. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next orbital 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. 4s2, 3d2. 4s2, 3d2. Vanadium 23. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d3. 3d3 vanadium. Chromium. Chromium కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటుంది. Chromium atomic number 24. It contains 24 electrons. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 4s1, 3d5, 4s1, 3d5 in chromium atom. Generally 4s2, 3d4, but in chromium atom experimentally we found 4s1, 3d5 in chromium atom. Electronic configuration 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 22 plus 2, 24. So chromium atomic number 24. Chromium, manganese, Mn, manganese 25, 25. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5 manganese. Ferrous, iron. Latin name of iron is ferrum. Ferrous 26. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. Cobalt 27 and it contains 27 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d7. Nickel 28, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. Nickel, cobalt, copper 29. Here copper also 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d10. Generally, the atomic configuration of copper is 4s2, 3d9. Experimentally, Experimentally, we found the electronic configuration in copper 4s1 3d10. 4s1 3d10. Zinc atomic number of zinc 30, it contains 30 electrons. 30 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d, sorry, 4s2, 3d10. 4s2, 3d10. Okay, students, this is the electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. 1 to 30 elements. 1 to 30: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. 1 to 30 elements అందరికి ఖచ్చితంగా వచ్చి ఉండాలి. This 1 to 30 elements. In these 30 elements, helium, neon, argon. Helium, neon and argon are the inert gases. In these 30 elements, second element helium, 10th element neon and 18th element argon. These elements are called inert gases. Inert means these gases, this element does not participate in any chemical reactions. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class. In the next class, we will discuss Hund's rule, Aufbau principle, Pauli exclusion principle. Okay, students.